Hi guys, my name is Erica and welcome to my channel. Today is going to be very fun. I'm going to give you a tour of an unfurnished, remodeled house. This is a single-story house. It's 3-bed, 2-bath, almost 1,400 square feet. I just really wanted to make this video because I'm very curious if we're going to look back on it and see what has changed, because this house is going to look amazing and homey, and with all the furniture in it, it's going to look really cool. I'm just going to show you guys. We're going to do little touches on it, and I just wanted you guys to see it before everything is put inside. So let's get started. Inside here is the master bedroom. Then when you walk in, what you see is this little nook area. And right here we have the kitchen. It's a very decently sized kitchen. There's room to put a fridge right there. There is a microwave on the top and an oven right there. Love the cabinetry here. There's a lot of space just under the island to put a lot of different things. You can take a look at that. Very roomy. I love this kitchen island. This is quartz, premium quartz material. Kind of has this design, and right here, under here, you can put little stools, maybe like 3 or 4 stools. It's a very large, decent sized island. And this is the lighting. This is very contemporary and modern, just 3 simple ones that bring a lot of light into the room. Into the kitchen, there is also a dishwasher, and it just runs along like that. There's a hood range and the gas stove. That is the kitchen layout. Then I'm going to go in here. So watch your step, there's some stairs. And this area is the pantry area. So you can put all of your snacks. It's very decently sized as well, and you can just close that door behind you. Then you go back up the stairs. And also this house has all new put in electrical outlets, which is very nice. Then you go in this side. On your left side here, you have a guest bathroom. It's a bathroom for whoever is in here. This is a bedroom, and I think this one is also another bedroom. So this bathroom looks like this. It's a very interesting tile. Looks like concrete, but it's very cool. It has the same design as the kitchen on the bottom here. Let me see what kind of drawers these are, if they're soft close or not. Oh, so they are. These are soft close drawers. Same design right here. And also, this is the color of the paint. It kind of reminds me of a nautical themed. It's like this grayish, very light grayish blue color. They have a towel holder. Interesting placement right here, just above the basic toilet. And this is the bathroom. Look at the bathroom. It has this hexagon shape on the bottom, this tile, and it also has, let me just open up for you guys right here. A hexagonal shaped tile, very small, and then this is the shower. It reminds me of a rain shower, which is very luxurious. You can see those windows up there, and this niche, very decently sized niche as well, with a very cool design. Give you a little close up of that. Kind of like aquatic feel. So that is bathroom right there. And in here, this is 1 bedroom. So pretty basic. I don't know if there's anything under here. Let's see. Oh yes, there's a window right there. So this one has a lot of natural light. And it has a closet right here. See how far it goes. So that's the size of the closet. Then you go in here. That's one. And this is another one. There's a little space. Maybe you can put a table or something. And in here, Same, you have a closet. And that's the space in here. Now go this way, crossing over the kitchen area. And then this is the master bathroom. So the master bathroom, you have to go through some stairs. Watch your step. You can see there's also a little bit window. This is also very bright. Keep in mind, this property has new recessed lights everywhere. So very modern. Very unique because it does have a fireplace. So look, it's a very decent fireplace. This master bedroom is also a very good size. Let me just give you guys a little spin. So it's very good size. A real fireplace. This is an older property, so it does have a real fireplace. Love that look. Then there's a closet space right here. In there, its own separate space, which is very nice. And then you can go up another flight of stairs in here to find the master bathroom. Same design, but it has this mirror right here. And this is the shower. Rain shower as well. That's what it looks like. This is more like marble. Looks like marble, but I think it's porcelain tile. And also both of the bathrooms have glass shower doors, so you don't need curtains. So yeah, that's it. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this brief video. This was not planned, sorry for the noise. This was not planned, but I figured because everything is empty, I might as well film it. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. It's a very short video, but I think it's going to be fun to look at how you can just change up a house. Thank you guys so much for watching and have an amazing day.
Phase 2.
These are some DIY speaker holders, and they were spray painted this deep pink. I think it looks really good. It's going to be a nice contrast to the black speakers. And we did a little bit of cleanup in here, took everything out and just cleaned it with a Swiffer. And it's all empty for now.